Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to open a Word document in Google Docs. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you need to open up Drive, then you will click on New, then File Upload, and then you will upload that specific Word file into your Drive. Okay, so in my case I have this file. Click Open here, and then here you can see that this file is being uploaded. Okay, so now what you're gonna have to do here, that we will just search for this file here. Okay, here we have this file. So now what we are going to basically do, that we just have to like open it up. Okay, so what you gonna have to do here, just double click on this file, and now here you can see that it is now opened up in Google Docs. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.